Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a lace called Harriet Lace. This particular lace uses variety of stitches. It uses half double crochets, chains, picot, and then it uses 3DC cluster shells, and it also uses DC V stitch, DC chain to DC V stitch, and it's a very versatile stitch, and it can be used for any pattern, for any project of your choice. So to make this pattern, we require a foundation of multiples of 6 plus 3 chains. So I shall make the required number of chains and get back to you. I have made 3 multiples of 6 plus 3, 21 chains. To begin with, make a double crochet, HDC, half double crochet in the 6th chain from the hook. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th chain. From the hook, make a half double crochet. Chain 1, skip 1 and make a half double crochet in the next. Again chain 1, skip 1, half double crochet in the next. This is the stitch repeat for row 1. Complete row 1 and get back. I shall also complete and get back. So I have completed row 1. Front side requires multiples of 6 plus 4, not 3. It works fine with 6 multiples of 6 plus 4 chains as foundation. Now for row 2, chain 1 and turn, and place a single crochet in each of the stitches and under the chain. 1 single crochet each. So this is row 2. So place the single crochets under the chain space and on the half double crochet. I shall also complete and get back. Row 3, chain 1 and turn, place a single crochet on the very first single crochet, chain 2, skip 2, skip 2, place a DC V stitch, DC, chain 2, DC, and then chain 2, skip 2, single crochet, chain 3, and picot here, chain 2, skip 2, DC V stitch, so this is the stitch repeat here. Continue the stitch repeat till the end. I shall meet you at the end. I've made my DC V stitch here, chain 2 and skip 2 and make a single crochet and make a picot over it. 1, 2, 3. Insert your hook under these 2 loops, pick up the yarn, pull through and pull through the loop on the hook. This is your picot done. Again chain 2, skip 2 and a DC V stitch here. Chain 2, skip 2 and place your single crochet on the very last stitch. So this completes row 3 for us. So in row 3 we have 2 chain spaces, DC V stitch and the picots. For row 4, chain 3 and turn. Chain 3 counts as DC, otherwise turn and make a standing twisted double crochet in the very first stitch here. and in the chain 2 space of the V stitch, place your 3DC cluster shell. 3DCs, chain 2, 3DC cluster, chain 2, again 3DC cluster, all under the chain 2 space of the V stitch. Chain 1 and place 3DC cluster shell in the next V stitch. So this is the stitch repeat for this particular row. Chain 1, again 3DC, cluster shell. And now there is no chain 1. In the last, place your DC in the very last stitch. For row 5, either chain 2 and turn, or chain 1 and make a half double crochet, chain 1, half double crochet in the next chain space, chain 1, half double crochet in the next chain space, chain 1, half double crochet under the chain 1 space, chain 1, half double crochet under chain 1 space. So continue. This is the stitch pattern for row 5. So we have completed one pattern repeat. Pattern repeats are rows 2 to 5, and the number of DCs in the very base row, first row, should be equal to the number of DCs that you work in every 5th row. So then the pattern is correct, and you can repeat rows 2 to 5 to the desired length of your project. So this in the sample. Thank you friends for watching this video. Do subscribe to Magic Needles channel, and do not forget to hit on the bell icon so that you're notified of the new videos that we upload every day. Please like and share our videos. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video. Bye for now.